Learn fruit names with ABC.
Alphabets. I am an apple. A for apple. I'm a red apple. Look at my color. A for ant. Ant is eating apple. You are a tiny one. Woo 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 woo. I am a banana. B for banana. Sweet and soft banana. Look at my yellow color. Wow, wow. B for bear. And bear is eating banana. Oh, so fair. I am cherry. C for cherry. I am so healthy. Look at my color. Woo. C for cat. Cat is eating cherry. Where's that? D for dragon fruit. Wow, it's D for dragon fruit. Hoo 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 hoo. D for dog. And dog is eating dragon fruit. Yum yum. E for elderberry. Yum. I am perfect for jam. Enjoy me in your breakfast. E for elephant. An elephant is eating elderberry. So elegant. F for fig. I am so healthy. Wow, wow. Yummy. F for fox. And fox is eating fig. What a clever fix. Yummy. G for guava. Yummy. Wow, woo, woo. G for goat. And goat is eating guava on the mountain float. H for honeydew. H for honeydew. Do, do, do. H for hippo. And hippo is eating honeydew. What a happy hippo. Wow. I for Indian fig. I for iguana. I for Indian fig. I for iguana. And iguana is eating Indian fig. Oh, what a panorama. J for jackfruit. J for jackal. J for jackfruit. J for jackal. And jackal is eating jackfruit. What a flavorful recall. K for kiwi. K for kangaroo. K for kiwi. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo is eating kiwi. What a fun-filled crew. Wow, yummy. L for lemon. L for lion. L for lemon. L for lion. Lion is eating lemon with a mighty roar and ion. M for mango. M for monkey. Monkey is eating mangoes, and the tree is so funky. N for nectarine. N for narwhal. N for nectarine. N for narwhal. Narwhal is eating nectarine. What a magical coral. O for orange. O for ox. O for orange. O for ox. Ox is eating oranges. What a delightful box. P for pineapple. P for penguins. P for pineapple. P for penguins. Penguins are eating pineapples. What a happy trend. Q for quince. Q for quail. Wow. Q for quince. Q for quail. Quail is eating quince. What a lovely trail. R for raspberry. R for rabbit. Wow. R for raspberry. R for rabbit. Rabbit is eating raspberry. What a sweet habit. S for strawberry. S for snake. Wow. S for strawberry. S for snake. Snake is eating strawberry. What a sly steak. T for tangerine. T for tiger. T for tangerine. T for tiger. Tiger is eating tangerine. What a vibrant trigger. U for ugly fruit. U for Uriel. U for ugly fruit. U for Uriel. Uriel is eating ugly fruit. Ooh, it's for me. So loyal. Wow. V for Volunga. V for vulture. V for volunga. V for vulture. Vulture is eating volunga. What a unique culture. Yummy. Wow. W for watermelon. W. W for watermelon. W. Wolf is eating watermelon. What a refreshing golf. X for Sigua. X for Xeris. Xeris is eating Shigua. What a rare chorus. Yummy. Y for Yunnan hackberry. Y for yak. Y for Yunnan hackberry. Y for yak. Yak is eating hackberry. What a Himalayan pack. Z for Ziziphus. Z for zebra. Z for Ziziphus. Z for zebra. Zebra is eating Ziziphus. What a wild and free safari.